Today we're going to be going over the basic services for a rotary screw air compressor. Before you service any air compressor, you're going to want to make sure that you're wearing the proper PPE and that you follow all lockout tagout procedures. There are two basic services for a rotary screw air compressor. You have a minor service and a major service. A minor service, you're going to be replacing your oil filter and your air filter, as well as pulling an oil sample. For a major service, you're also going to replace your oil filter, your air filter, and pull an oil sample again, as well as replace your separators. If this compressor happens to have spin-on separators, you can also have a drop-in separator, which would be inside of the oil cell. Our oil is also getting replaced on our major services. After all these parts are replaced, what we're going to do is we're going to run through the entire compressor and make sure everything is in tip-top condition and it's working as it should be. We're going to grease our motors. We're going to inspect our belts, make sure they're tensioned properly and that there's no signs of wear. We're going to inspect the cooler. This compressor happens to have it up top. We're going to make sure it's clean and able to dissipate heat properly. We're also going to check all of our hose connections as well as our electrical connections and make sure everything is tight, snug, nothing's leaking. And then after that, we're going to turn our compressor on. Again, wearing the proper PPE, we're going to check all of our electrical while the compressor is running to make sure that we have proper voltage and proper amps. We're also going to inspect the compressor and make sure nothing's leaking. That's probably it. I don't fucking know.